Hello, M3FJZ here. In this video, I'm going to go through some of the PAs I've built, or matter of fact, all the PAs I've ever built for this project, for this Max SSB project, or projects prior to Max SSB. Okay, this one here is the very first PA I ever built. It's a copy of the PA that's in the BitX 20A from Hendrix Kits. And the input needs to be about 430 volts, 430 millivolts peak to peak, which would be 0.462 milliwatts or minus 3.35 dBm. It has onboard drivers and amplifiers. And the drivers are BS170s, which are right here. Okay, the second PA I built is over here. This is one I used recently in the recent video I made of a QSO I made. This one's capable of putting out about 50 watts if I drive it hard. And it's being driven by a variable gain amplifier by West Hayward. It also accepts about 430 millivolts peak to peak. Now this one uses IRF Z24s, and it's based on a PA designed by Don Huff, W6JL. Now these two are identical, except for one has the bypass relays attached to it. These are the Don Huff's 50-watt PAs. I built two identical ones because I wanted to build a combiner to give me 100 watts, but it didn't quite work out. My power supply wasn't powerful enough to drive them at the time. This PA here is something I was working on to make it miniaturized. I believe it's capable of about 10 watts. This also uses IRF 510s. It also is the derivative design from the Hendrix Kits, the BitX 20A. Now this amp here uses a heatsink from a PC, has an integrated fan. If not, transistors get so hot they would self-destruct. So this fan needs to run while the PA is on. This one also uses a power supply from a PC. Transistors go through the circuit card and are attached to the top of the heatsink. I'll build all my modules on tin-plated steel sheet. This is another PA I'm working on. This is how it starts out. A little dusty here. So that's my PA Roundup. Yes, I almost forgot this one. This one was actually the second PA I built. And it was supposed to have 4 final transistors, 2 in parallel with each. 2 sets of 2 that were in parallel. But the didn't work out as planned. They self-destructed. But what I did was I modified the board and just built it into one of the standard PAs I built. This one's capable of also 20 watts. And it's also a derivative of the Hendrix Kit BitX 20A. Again, this one accepts 430 millivolts peak to peak input and drives it up to the 20 watts. Here's an integrated low pass filter for 20 meters. Uses a angle iron connected to two heat sinks I got at Hamfest. So there you go. M3 FJ said, keep building. 7-3 everyone.